Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use CVS Pharmacy for prescription management, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage your prescriptions at CVS Pharmacy, start by visiting their website or downloading the CVS Pharmacy app on your device. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the prescriptions section. Here, you can view all your active prescriptions. If you need to refill a prescription, select the one you want to renew. Follow the prompts to complete your refill request. You can also set up automatic refills for your medications. To do this, choose a medication and select the option for automatic refills. Make sure your insurance information is up to date to avoid any issues. If you need to transfer a prescription, go to the Transfer Prescriptions feature. Enter the details of your existing pharmacy and the medication you want to transfer. CVS will handle the rest of the transfer process for you. For any questions about your medications, you can contact your local CVS pharmacy directly. You can also manage medication synchronization through your account. This allows you to align refill dates for multiple prescriptions, making it more convenient. For added convenience, consider using the text alerts feature. This will notify you when your prescriptions are ready for pickup. Finally, utilize the CVS CarePass program for additional savings on prescriptions. With these steps, managing your prescriptions at CVS becomes a simple and efficient process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.